Welcome to our latest video. Today, we are talking about top 7 best RC car on Aliexpress under $100. We've spent hours researching and testing various RC car to bring you this comprehensive list. All the links of the RC car are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the high-speed buggy truck. Built for action, this 4WD remote control car is the ultimate off-road racing machine for kids and adults alike. Designed with precision and durability, this 1/16 scale buggy is crafted from high-quality metal and plastic materials. Its realistic design and flawless packaging make it the perfect gift for thrill seekers of all ages. Equipped with powerful four-wheel drive and double protection, this high-speed buggy truck delivers unmatched performance on any terrain. From rocky trails to smooth tracks, it's ready to conquer it all. Feel the rush with speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour. Powered by a super brushless motor and a 7.4V lithium battery, this buggy is built to deliver high-speed action for up to 15 to 20 minutes of playtime. This RC car has 4.4 rating and 4,000 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. With a remote control range of up to 100 meters, you'll have full command of your buggy wherever the adventure takes you. Plus, the intuitive controller offers both MOD 1 and MOD 2 for easy operation. Ready to go right out of the box, the package includes everything you need: batteries, a USB charger, a remote controller, and detailed instructions to get you started in no time. Certified with CE and backed by a 30-day warranty, the high-speed buggy truck guarantees quality, safety, and endless fun. It's the perfect gift for anyone aged 14 and up. High-speed buggy truck. Adventure, speed, and fun in every drive. Get yours today. Introducing the 114 Red RC off-road car, the perfect blend of excitement and adventure for young racers. Get ready to explore the great outdoors with this powerful and stylish remote control vehicle. Crafted at a 1/14 scale, this off-road car boasts a realistic and exquisite appearance. It's designed to immerse children in the thrilling world of RC racing, sparking their imagination and creativity. Equipped with robust four-wheel drive and durable 3.2-inch off-road tires, this RC car ensures excellent traction and stability on all surfaces. Whether on rocky trails or sandy paths, it's built to handle any adventure. This RC car has 4.7 rating and 5,000 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Light up your playtime with 3 modes of LED lights. Not only do they add a fun visual element, but they also enhance the sensory experience, inspiring creativity and imagination in every race. Take control from afar with a remarkable 393-foot remote control range. This extended reach allows for expansive outdoor play, encouraging kids to explore and enjoy the freedom of remote racing. With dual battery power, this 114 Red RC off-road car is ready for long-lasting fun and adventure. It's the ultimate gift for young explorers who love speed, style, and endless excitement. Introducing the WLtoys 1/16 scale 4WD RC car. Built for speed, precision, and adventure, this RC car takes your racing game to the next level. Crafted with a robust combination of metal and plastic, this 1/16 scale RC car is designed to handle any challenge. Its realistic design and LED lights make every race an exciting adventure day or night. Feel the adrenaline with speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Powered by a 7.4V lithium battery, this monster truck is built for high-speed drifting and off-road action. With its powerful four-wheel drive and rugged tires, this WLtoys 1/16 RC car delivers unmatched control and performance on any terrain. Whether it's dirt, grass, or gravel, this car is ready to dominate. Take control from a distance with a remote range of up to 120 meters. Featuring 4 control channels, the remote gives you precision handling for every twist, turn, and drift. This RC car has 4.7 rating and 5,000 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Ready to go right out of the box, this WLtoys 1/16 scale 4WD RC car offers 15 minutes of non-stop action per charge. It's perfect for kids, adults, and anyone who loves high-speed fun. Certified with CE and backed by a 1-month warranty, This RC car is safe, reliable, and built for endless fun. Just remember to read the instructions before use. WLtoys 1/16 scale 4WD car. Speed, power, and adventure in every drive. Get yours today. Introducing the Teeggi 1/16 scale high-speed RC car. A thrilling combination of speed, style, and adventure. Whether you're on the road or off-road, this monster truck is built for action-packed fun. Designed with precision, the Teeggi high-speed RC car features a durable plastic build, LED lights for nighttime play, and a realistic 1/16 scale design. It's the perfect gift for kids and RC enthusiasts alike. Feel the rush with speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Powered by a lithium battery, this RC car delivers high-speed drifting and off-road excitement like never before. With four-wheel drive and rugged tires, the Teeggi RC car offers exceptional traction and stability on any terrain. From smooth roads to rugged trails, it's built to handle it all. Take control with precision using the 4-channel remote, featuring a range of up to 120 meters. Whether you're drifting, racing, or exploring, the Teeggi RC car puts you in command. This RC car has 5.0 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Ready to go straight out of the box, this RC car offers up to 16 minutes of non-stop play per charge. Perfect for kids aged 14 and up. It's the ultimate toy for racing enthusiasts. Each package includes everything you need to start racing: batteries, a remote controller, USB cable, and operating instructions. Certified for safety and backed by a 30-day warranty, it's designed for worry-free fun. Introducing the WLSG 116 Max/Pro 1/16 high-speed drift RC car, where speed meets precision for the ultimate racing experience. Built for thrill seekers of all ages, this RC car is your ticket to high-speed fun. Engineered with a durable metal and plastic body, this high-speed drift RC car is as tough as it is stylish. Its 1/16 scale design and LED lights make it a showstopper on any track. Feel the power of the brushless motor as you hit speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour. Whether you're racing or drifting, the SG 116 Max/Pro delivers unmatched performance. With its 4-wheel drive system and rugged tires, this off-road beast is built to conquer any terrain. From smooth roads to challenging trails, this SG 116 Max/Pro handles it all with ease. This RC car has 4.7 rating and 1,000+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Take control like never before with the MOD2 remote, offering a staggering 300-meter range. Precision steering and responsiveness make every race an unforgettable experience. Ready to go right out of the box, this Drift RC car offers an impressive 40 minutes of playtime per charge. Perfect for kids aged 14 and up, it's the ultimate gift for RC enthusiasts. Each package includes everything you need to get started: batteries, a remote controller, USB cable, and an easy-to-follow manual. It's safe, reliable, and built to last. Introducing the 1/76 scale monster truck by Turbo Racing, a mini-sized RC car that packs a big punch. Compact, fast, and fun, it's the ultimate gift for RC enthusiasts of all ages. Don't let its size fool you. This mini monster truck is a 1/76 scale marvel, featuring a durable build, rugged tires, and a sleek design that's ready to take on any challenge. Control the action with a powerful remote that offers a 50-meter range. Whether you're racing or performing stunts, the 1/76 scale monster truck delivers precision and fun at your fingertips. Built for versatility, this mini monster truck can handle on-road and off-road adventures with ease. Its powerful torque and responsive controls make it perfect for any terrain. This RC car has 4.9 rating and 200+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of non-stop fun on a single charge. With USB charging and CE certification, it's safe, reliable, and ready to go whenever you are. Each package includes the 1/76 scale monster truck, a remote controller, USB charging cable, and an original box. Everything you need for hours of entertainment. Compact in size, but big on fun, this mini RC truck is perfect for kids, adults, and anyone who loves remote control vehicles. It's the ultimate gift idea for any occasion. Introducing the SURPASS Hobby RGT 136,240 V2 124 RC car, a compact powerhouse designed for adventure. Perfect for thrill seekers and RC enthusiasts, this 4WD crawler is ready to conquer any terrain. With its 1/24th scale and realistic design, this SURPASS Hobby RC car brings the excitement of off-road driving to your fingertips. Its rugged build and detailed body shell make it a standout on any track. Engineered for performance, this upgraded version features a split transmission system, lowering the center of gravity for exceptional crawling ability. Tackles steep climbs and rugged trails with ease. Built with a C-type steel chassis and high-position link design, this SURPASS Hobby RC car offers unmatched durability and agility. Its locked spool and steering arm ensure precision control on every adventure. This RC car has 4.7 rating and 600+ units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Experience the thrill of speed with a top velocity of 15 kilometers per hour. Equipped with LED headlights, this crawler is ready for both day and night exploration. Customize your ride. The 136,240 V2 is compatible with a range of realistic body shells, allowing you to personalize your crawler for any adventure, perfect for kids and adults alike. This SURPASS Hobby 124 RC car makes an ideal gift for anyone who loves remote control vehicles. Ready to run and easy to control, it's fun for the whole family. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.